Okay, as you all know, with some of my videos, I work on Chrysler vehicles, or vehicles that contain Chrysler parts and are really a Chrysler, including the Volkswagen Routon, which I think is in a couple of my other videos. But I ordered a flex joint from Bear River Converters off of eBay. It says they're a worldwide wholesale exhaust distributor. Okay, here's the fitment list. And it's for all the Chrysler vehicles. Volkswagen Routon in particular, which I highlighted so you can see all the years. And that's my wife and my daughter coming home. It's a semi-direct fit flange due to the length. It's the Flex Repair Kit, 5-year, 50,000 mile manufacturer warranty. Includes the gasket. Cool. To be welded, not clamped. $24.98. So they give me their card. On the back. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. There's all their info. This is what they sell.
Another PPL, are you kidding me?
That's my wife. She's been talking to my phone. Here. Can you pull the bag off? Thank you.
That's for my girl.
Here, do it again. Yeah, you can get that gasket up for me there. Okay. It looks like they welded this a long time ago. See, kind of, you know, just a little rusty patina. That's fine. It's not even like brown yet. More like black with a little hints of brown. Anyway, it was sitting on the shelf most likely. But that's absolutely fine. They did a pretty good job. Do a little bit of schmutz right there, but it's not a big deal. It's not a fashion show. It's just got to work. Here's the part number, BRC 101FF. Okay. Alright, BRC 101FF. Always gonna make sure things match, make sure it's exactly what you ordered. And I ordered it on the 19th, and today is the 23rd. That was fast. We got our metal gasket here. Just like an exhaust manifold gasket. Looks like they got some cutouts here, probably to ease installation. They didn't close the holes up. Cut out so you can just slip it in there, slip it on there. Probably due to the distance between the underside of the car and the exhaust system. Now the pipe looks nice and thick. Got a nice wall thickness there. It is a seamed pipe, as usual. The flex looks really nice. There's no pulls in the braid. Nothing hanging around. Also the outside the same. It's almost a perfect braid. And it's definitely a pipe within a pipe. The main issue is most likely motor mounts. The motor mounts go on these minivans because there's a lot of weight behind them. It doesn't look like there's a lot of rock, but there is. And I put my scan tool on there, and I'm looking at the idle, and there really isn't that much of a movement of idle at all. In fact, it's within parameters, and it's actually fine. I still put some carb cleaner in there, thinking that you know, maybe the fluctuation is still too much, but it was the motor mounts. The whole engine shakes under load, of course. Trying to do it while you're idling is a pain in the butt, even though it can be done. But it's you know, it's all the load that counts on the motor mounts. You get the most amount of flex, of course. You know, that changes depending on the passengers and what you got as far as your payload in the back. Rolls look okay. It's obvious that this end piece would get trimmed down as needed. The length of the flex is what counts. It's a short flex. Looks good. We'll see what happens. Should things not work out, I'm told that the exhaust for this, which I've seen actually for myself, is a one-piece exhaust. So either way, it's cut and weld. Alright, stay tuned for part 2. Exhaust bolts. To heat or not to heat. Knock her loose. Maybe some coil.